Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about Rocket Money. If you're anything like me, you probably have a lot of subscriptions, streaming services, apps, gym memberships, maybe even random things you signed up for on a whim, and it's so easy to lose track of them. You know the feeling when you see a charge on your bank statement and you have no idea what it's for? Well, Rocket Money is here to solve that problem. So, Rocket Money is basically an app that helps you manage your subscriptions, bills, and recurring payments all in one place. It's a pretty simple concept, but it's a game changer if you're someone who has a lot going on with monthly charges that you forget about. The best part? It makes finding and managing those subscriptions so much easier. First off, you just link your bank account or credit card to the app, and Rocket Money will scan your transactions and automatically find all the subscriptions you're paying for. It's honestly a bit of a shock when you see how many things you've been paying for that you totally forgot about. It catches everything, from your Netflix to your old podcast memberships, and even that random app you downloaded once and never used again. It's all in there. Once you've got everything tracked, Rocket Money makes it super easy to manage those subscriptions. You can see how much you're spending each month, and the app even categorizes your subscriptions for you, so you get a clear overview of where your money is going. If you're the kind of person who likes to save or stay on top of your finances, this is a really useful tool to have. Another really awesome feature is the ability to cancel subscriptions with a single click. If you see something you're not using or don't want to pay for anymore, you can just press a button and Rocket Money will handle the rest. That's huge for me because canceling subscriptions can sometimes feel like a huge hassle. We've all been there, spending 20 minutes on hold just to get someone to cancel your service. Rocket Money makes that super easy, so you don't have to deal with all the back and forth. On top of that, the app helps you negotiate bills, which is honestly something I didn't even know I needed until I tried it. Let's say your internet bill has gone up unexpectedly, or your cable company is charging you more than usual. Rocket Money will actually reach out to those companies on your behalf to try to negotiate a better deal. I was skeptical at first, but it actually worked for me and I ended up saving a bit of money on my internet bill. It's like having a personal negotiator working for you behind the scenes. Now, no app is perfect, and I'll be honest, there are a couple of things that could be better. Sometimes, the automatic subscription tracking isn't 100% accurate, like it might miss a subscription or two, or occasionally there are some charges that don't get categorized properly. But honestly, that's a pretty minor issue, and Rocket Money is constantly working on improving it. I can still say that the pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially when you consider how much time and effort it saves you in the long run. All in all, Rocket Money is a super handy tool if you want to take control of your subscriptions, save some cash, and keep your finances organized. If you're the type of person who has a million subscriptions running at once, or just wants to make sure you're not getting hit with surprise charges, this app is totally worth checking out. It's a simple way to manage everything, cancel what you don't need, and even negotiate your bills. So, if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. Trust me, your wallet will thank you.